Okay, I'm starting my PC build. This is my motherboard right here. The first thing to do is flash the BIOS, which is the software that runs the motherboard. And flashing means take the latest download from the motherboard manufacturer's website, put it on a flash drive, and then put it in to a USB slot here on the motherboard, and then press a flash button here. Oh, I gotta turn the power supply on. There we go. I'm gonna press the flash button, and you can see there's a solid red light on here, and now it's blinking, so the flashing is happening. Woohoo! I've started.